Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. This afternoon, I am having a lot of fun in the kitchen. I have been making dip recipes and cake recipes, and I will link to these. You guys, I don't do drinks too often, but when I've got a whole day in the kitchen, I like to do a lot of batch cooking because we're such a busy family. I'm doing a twist on Irish coffee today. I always like to come up with some recipes to use up ingredients I have on hand that I haven't quite used all of them yet. And I had some heavy whipping cream on hand. I had some salted caramel cream liqueur, and I was just thinking after the holidays, I was like, I really want to just have a relaxing afternoon where I'm playing in the kitchen, having fun with my recipes. I don't have to go anywhere after the kids are out of school. They have a rare night of activities. They don't have activities, so I don't have to go anywhere. I could have myself a little mama drink today. And so I'm going to do my twist on Irish coffee. Now, I'm not going to froth this up on the top. I'm just going to mix it all together. So I love chocolate, and I don't have any like melting chocolate on hand, which is kind of a surprise since I'm always baking things. But I'm going to use a little bit of chocolate protein powder. I've got my protein powder here. It's Dutch chocolate, and so I'm just using half a scoop. If you have hot cocoa, you could totally use hot cocoa with this. I have heavy whipping cream, quite a bit. I am making a honey mustard pork loin in the slow cooker, and I'm making a creamy pasta sauce because we're gonna have pasta with it, and so that requires some heavy cream. And so I was like, this is a great way to use up some heavy cream. So I'm gonna put just a little bit, maybe 2 tablespoons in there, and then I'm going to grab my salted caramel cream liqueur. Now, we got this from a distillery not too far from us, a couple hours away when we went there right before Christmas. And I am not a big drinker, y'all. It takes me forever to drink stuff up. But when I'm going to drink it, I like to make it fun. So I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit of this in. We ain't even going to measure, friends. Let's just make it good. This is perfect, ladies, if you are going to Netflix and chill. You got a quiet afternoon to yourself if you get lucky. Mix that chocolate powder in there good. And here is my Irish coffee twist. Salted caramel liqueur. Yum!